Hello mga makulistas, 2 days namin hindi nakasama itong mga bata dahil nga busy kami at naglilipat kami dito sa aming bagong bahay. At ngayon nga ay first time nitong dalawa na makakapunta dito sa bahay na nilipatan namin. So isu-surprise ko sila. I have surprise for both of you. You need to close your eyes. Okay? Are you excited? Okay, let me take you down first. Let's go! Ayan, ito yung bagong bahay na nilipatan namin. At ibababa ko na itong mga bata. So, let's see kung anong magiging reaction nila. Are you excited? Oh, remove your seatbelt. Wala kang shoes. Wala kang shoes. Oh. Hello. Are you excited? 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 That's our new house. Let me call your brother, okay? 1 second. Kunin ko lang si Isaiah. Are you excited? This is our new house.
Yay.
Our new house. Yay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Open. Open your eyes. That's our new house.
Yay.
That's our new house. Woo. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna open the door. Huh? Okay, wait, wait. Look at the garage. It's electric. It's electric. Still mess. So many mess. Oh, don't go there. Tali. Stop. Don't go there. It's dirty. You don't have shoes. Okay? Alright, let me open the door. Okay? Stay. Go there. Go there. Go in the door. There. Wait for me, ha? Wait for me. Ayan, makaalat pa rin at naglilipat nga kami. So, tingnan natin mga bata. Where are you? Close your eyes. Where are you? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Tali, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Ready? Come in. Yay. That's our new house. Your dinosaur? Oh, you wanna bring your dinosaur? Alright, let's bring it. Mamaya na lang. I'll show you the lounge room first. Come on, let's go. Let's go, kids. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Wait for me. This is our new house. It's big, isn't it? It's big. It's big. Wala pang gamit. Oh, ayan oh. Woo. Happy? Are you happy? This is our new house. Huh? This is our new house. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Tali, this is our new house. Yay! It's huge. Look. It's huge. It's huge. What's that? Switch. Oh, sige. You can run na. You can run. That's our fridge. Yes. Are you happy? Are you happy to our new house? Yeah? Are you excited? She's so happy. Para ba yung tali? Wala. Haba ng tatakbuhan na nila oh. Sobrang laki ng bahay. What's that? It's a window. You want me to open it? Open? Open. That's our backyard. Oh. Yay! Malaki-laki na paglalaroan nyo. Oh. Sobrang haba niyan. Oh. Takbo dito. Sige. Takbo. Haba. You wanna go upstairs? Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. Isaiah, hey. Oy, 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 oy. Don't bring that inside. It's dirty. Hey, dirty. Don't go outside. Up, 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 up. Hold your sister. Be careful. Be careful. Up. Pass. Oh, come on. Wait for your sister, Isaiah. Oh, pagod na sila. Come on, Tali, go. Let's go, 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 Tali, go, Tali. Say, go, Tali, go, Tali, go. 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 Up, up, up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Pagod na si Tali. Ito pala ang dapat gawin sa kanya para makatulog sila. Mapagod sa hagdan. Go. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Up. Hold your sister. Help her. Yay. Oh, let's go in our bedroom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Air mattress pa lang ang ginagamit namin. Kasi nga, hindi pa namin na-assemble yung gamit namin. So, ayan pa lang. Enjoy sila. Ang luwang eh. Laki ng bahay. You wanna see our toilet? You wanna see our toilet? Whoa. Oh, that's our toilet. Whoa. Oh, where are you going? Be careful. Mahulog ka sa hagdan. We have a bathtub. You wanna see the bathtub? You wanna see the bathtub? Isaiah, come. I have surprise for you. Tali. Tali, come. Come here, come here. There's a bathtub. Tali. Tali, look. There's a bathtub. Look, I'll show you. I'll show you the bathtub. Wow, you can ligo here. Yay! Hey, you can ligo, ligo. Ligo. Tali, there's a bathtub. Bathtub. Ligo, ligo. Ligo, 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 ligo. Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy, both of you? This is our new house. Yay! Alright, come on, let's go down. Let's go down, let's go down. So, ayun nga yung tour namin sa dalawa. Ito kay Isaiah at kay Tali sa bago naming bahay. Bali, mag-1 week na kami doon sa bahay na yun sa Monday.
Ate.
Ano sabi mo?
Ate.
Ate, asan si ate?
Ate.
Say hi everyone. So, andito kami ngayon sa hospital kasi nga ina-asthma si Isaiah. Ayan o. Are you feel better? Dinala na ni Jaja kagabi. So, hindi pa kami tapos maghakot ng mga gamit. May mga naiwan pa sa lumang bahay namin. So, pagdating ni Jaja, babalikan ko at mag-sosop kami para matapos ko na yung ginagawa ko doon sa bagong bahay. Si Isaiah, i-admit siya today eh. So baka mamayang gabi pa siya makakauwi o bukas nagbibentulin siya. Ito yung popper tsaka yung spacer niya. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit niya every 1 hour. So hopefully maging feel better. I want you to feel better, okay? So yan lang ang life update mga makulista. So bye for now. Say bye. Bye.